All right, we are on air. It is Thursday, September 13th, and this is a check-in meeting on active design and usability tasks for Backdrop. So we've got one major outstanding task for backdropcms.org, the website, and that is to improve user experience for finding modules, themes, and layouts. This is a long outstanding issue. In the backdropcms.org queue, it's issue number 442. The only thing we really need there is for somebody to put some time in on that one. So if anyone is really passionate about that and wants to volunteer time, that's fantastic. If not, it'll probably need to wait until at least after the release of Backdrop 111, which is coming this weekend. On the forum website, forum.backdropcms.org, we have one high importance issue, and that's issue number 59 in the Backdrop CMS, in the forum.backdropcms.org queue. And that one, we had some code samples from Wes, but I couldn't figure out how to apply them to get them to work. So we need someone who's a little bit more clever with JavaScript breakpoints to figure out exactly what code we need to put where in order to clean up the display of the drop-down options provided by CK Editor. So it looks like Wes is working on that. He said he'd write a PR if he had time, but I'm not sure he's had time since then. So if someone else wants to work on that, that would be great. It's not super urgent, but I think it would be a big improvement to anyone who's using the forum styles. So that's it for our websites. Next is Backdrop the product. Nate, are you interested in running through the usability issues? What do you want me to do?
Let's see. You can go through them. I don't think it matters one way or the other.
Okay. So we have a couple of issues for 111 that have been merged, which is really exciting. Issue 3141, which is to fix the page title on the managed display subpages, has finally been resolved, which is great. We also have a fourth type for Backdrop set message for informational messages. And this aligns with Drupal, aligns with Bootstrap, and fixes our ability to add sort of help text as opposed to errors or warnings or success messages. And so that will also unblock a flurry of other issues that I think Clonus has set up to change when we're using the success style when it should actually be info. So we should get a bunch more of those coming along soon too. And then our only issue for 111 that still needs work is to clean up the text on the update dependency messaging. That's issue 2858. The current pull request is marked as needs work. We had a couple of issues that aren't going to be ready for 111, so they've been bumped for 112. One of them is the issue for sticky submit buttons. This is issue 566, so it's been around for kind of a while in the backdropcms.org queue. We have a pull request that started from some code that I think Laren was using for his client sites, but we need more feedback on that particular issue. It also should be reviewed in conjunction with some of the other stuff that's going in, like the ability to preview, just to make sure that adding sticky anything isn't going to create unforeseen complications. So that one's been bumped to 112 so that we can get some more time for adequate testing. And then we have two more issues that don't yet have pull requests. One of them is to update the button text on the node form so that it's clear what's going to happen when you hit that button. Are you going to publish the node? Are you going to unpublish it? Are you going to schedule it? And that's issue 1383. And there's a corresponding issue 3122 that I think removes the checkboxes for those actions as well. Neither of those are ready for 111 yet, so they've been bumped to 112. And then another issue doesn't yet have a pull request is the concept of adding promoted modules when you're using the project browser, and in particular the installer part of it. If you're looking for something like entity reference, it would promote reference module and say, this is Backdrop's recommended reference solution, so that people who are trying to install projects will have a little bit more guidance towards what the recommended solutions are. And that's it for usability issues, at least high priority ones. You can always look for more usability issues by searching the issue queue for square bracket, capital U, capital X, square bracket, and those are going to flag all of the issues that we have in our queue that are specifically related to usability. But we do have one design issue that I believe is still possible to get into 1.11, but we won't know for sure until we can see a pull request and see what's getting changed. And that is to update the design for the installer on mobile. This is issue 2873. It looks like we have some nice mock-ups in that issue. We just need to get them implemented. And taking a look at what code changes are required will determine whether it's possible to get that in this week or whether we think we should bump that for 1.12. That's all I have for design usability high priority items this week. Nate, was there anything you wanted to add about any of those issues or anything else?
No, I don't think so. I've been going through all of the issues. They're still slated for 1.11, and I think that we're kind of as far as we can take it. 1.11 comes out day after tomorrow. So, yeah, any ones that we didn't get done this release, of course, we can just keep cracking on them and get them into the next one.
Okay, sounds good. All right, well, thanks everybody for checking in on active design usability tests for Backdrop. Of course, we are always interested in improving user experience and, of course, making Backdrop a more attractive product to designers. So if those are your areas of focus and there are things you're particularly passionate about, feel free to raise the issues in the issue queue or chat about them in Gitter. And if they're high priority, we can certainly add them to this agenda to get them addressed soon. So thanks everyone for watching and for helping us improve Backdrop. We'll see you guys in half an hour.
Yay, thank you.
Bye.